What if everything you thought you knew about Hollywood's biggest legal drama was wrong? What if the star you believed was fighting to clear her name was suddenly the one under fire, not for being wrong but for possibly DCing the court and the public in a stunning turn of events that rocked both the entertainment industry and legal world? New leaked documents have just surfaced and they may have changed the entire game. At the center of this high-stakes $40 million lawsuit is none other than Blake Lively, the beloved actress known for her charm, her business empire, and her seemingly untouchable public image. But that image may now be cracking wide open. The leak reveals details that legal experts are calling a potential smoking gun, evidence that allegedly proves Blake Lively wasn't telling the full truth in her sworn testimony. We were talking about internal emails, timelines that don't match up, and possible coordination behind the scenes that, if confirmed, could be legally and professionally devastating. And here's the real kicker: Justin Baldoni, the very hairy person being accused and dragged into this whirlwind, now appears to be holding the upper hand. In silence, his legal team has been gathering receipts, building their case piece by piece. And now they may have finally struck gold. What does this mean for the future of the lawsuit? Could the entire $40 million case collapse? Is Blake Lively facing serious legal consequences? And most importantly, was this leak a carefully timed strategic blow or the result of something even deeper happening behind closed doors? This isn't just another celebrity scandal. This is a full-blown legal thriller unfolding in real time, and we're bringing you every jaw-dropping update backed by facts, legal analysis, and real insider insight. So grab a seat, buckle up, and get ready, because if the leaked documents are even half true, this might go down as one of the biggest Hollywood courtroom shockers of the decade. In a case already flooded with drama, sealed files, and explosive accusations, the courtroom was stunned when documents leaked over the weekend revealed something no one saw coming. Blake Lively, the actress and entrepreneur, is now facing serious credibility issues after new documents suggest she may have misrepresented key facts in the ongoing $40 million lawsuit involving Justin Baldoni. The leak, which legal insiders are calling the smoking gun, details correspondence, timestamps, and testimonial inconsistencies that directly contradict Lively's earlier sworn statements. And at the center of this new development, none other than Baldoni's legal team, who now appear to hold irrefutable evidence that could change the course of this high-stakes legal battle entirely. It's no longer just about public opinion or celebrity image. It's about truth, legal integrity, and a possible turning point in one of the most talked about cases in Hollywood's recent memory. Let's rewind just a bit. The case originally began over accusations that involved contract disputes, defamation implications, and the alleged weaponization of public influence, with Lively and her legal team filing against Baldoni and others for reputational damage and potential financial loss. The number $40 million sent shockwaves across entertainment and legal circles. For months, Lively had painted a picture of betrayal, manipulation, and media scheming, alleging that Baldoni's actions created a ripple effect that harmed her professionally and personally. But now, with these new documents, the narrative seems to be shifting drastically. Instead of a victim, some legal analysts are beginning to ask, was Lively actually orchestrating a misinformation campaign all along? And if so, how deep does it go? The most shocking twist: Justin Baldoni's quiet, calculated response. While men expected him to crumble under media pressure, his legal team has remained firm, and this week they aired. The leaked files include transcripts, internal communications, and metadata that reportedly disprove elements of Lively's testimony. According to legal breakdowns shared by industry observers, one particular detail in the documents, a series of time-stamped internal emails, allegedly shows that Blake Lively was aware of specific legal risks long before she claimed to be. This could be monumental. If Lively knowingly presented false information under oath, the consequences could be severe, not just for this case but for her career and future legal credibility. Baldoni's team now appears more confident than ever, hinting at possible counterclaims or even pushing for a full dismissal of the SAS. News of the leak spread like wildfire across entertainment media. Hollywood's response has been surprisingly silent. Major stars who previously supported Lively have refrained from commenting, and several legal experts have taken to social media to suggest that this may be the beginning of a reputational unraveling. Behind the scenes, publicists and studios are said to be watching closely. The irony in trying to protect her name and brand: Blake Lively may have exposed herself to the most dangerous threat of all, the truth. As we reflect on this unfolding legal drama, it's hard not to see this moment as a defining turning point, not just for the case itself but for how we view celebrity lawsuits in the modern era. Blake Lively, once confidently pursuing a $40 million claim, now finds herself facing mounting questions. The that could unravel her entire legal strategy. Justin Baldoni, once viewed as a cornered defendant, now stands with. Will LZELA's legal team respond with their own bombshell? Will the judge order new testimony or sanctions? Will this case drag on or finally begin to wrap up with a major twist? What we do know is this truth always finds its way to the surface. And in the age of digital footprints, internal emails, and court transcripts, no narrative is safe from scrutiny. This case isn't over. In fact, it may just be beginning a whole new chapter. And if this leak is any indication, it's going to be explosive.